Well, I think the biggest challenges in the industry, particularly in the United States, has to do with funding. We're in the midst of a downturn in the economy. Public transit systems survive on the basis of public contributions, typically taxes in the U.S. Those systems, though, that continue to rely almost exclusively on the federal government, I think are going to have difficulty. Other systems, such as mine, that recognize that they're going to have to take care of their own destiny, are the systems that are going to be successful. And we've demonstrated that in my community by its willingness to pass tax referendums on themselves to build good public transportation infrastructure. And that's what's happening. And so we're seeing, at a very odd time when the economy in many places is worsening, we're seeing the economy in my community actually begin to get better as infrastructure investment is made and people are basically helping themselves to have a better community. And I think in the long run that will pay off by producing a very strong economy, a very strong rebound, and a very attractive economy in terms of quality of life. So it's a real plus, I think, for communities to recognize they need to make infrastructure investment and make it perhaps on the basis of their own sacrifice. I think the responsibility that my company has in dealing with these challenges is to demonstrate real expertise, real commitment to doing it well. Our mantra is ahead of schedule and under budget, so as we build infrastructure projects, we're very focused on doing them very, very well, on doing them at the lowest possible cost, but with the highest possible outcomes. From an operating perspective, we're also very focused on advancing technology and implementing new technologies that support our customer experience. Much of our service is equipped with Wi-Fi, for example. We have new fare collection systems that we're working on and developing. Schedule reliability using direct driver input or output, either way, we're using to improve service reliability. We've got many different kinds of social media now that we're incorporating into our customer experience, and so it's a focus on quality, on service delivery, on attention to detail that's I think working for us now. I think this is an exciting time for technology. Technology is going on all around us. There are several. First of all, there is new vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure information systems now, communications, which makes travel safer whether you're in a bus, in an automobile, or whatever. New schematics for traffic signal prioritization for public transit vehicles, bus rapid transit systems that are able to bypass queues of cars. One of the really fascinating areas, though, is a new emerging area of electric propulsion. I think we're going to see over the next 10 or 15 years a significant shift towards all electric vehicles, including buses, automobiles, etc. And one of the big new technologies that just barely emerging, just coming out of this, is inductive charging technology, which is the ability to actually provide a power charge, an electric power strong enough to operate a train, for example, from inductive charging, meaning no more overhead catenary lines, no more third rails. I think this is a barely emerging, new, highly exciting area for public transportation and propulsion systems. I'm having a great time. MetroRail is very well done. I've been quite impressed with the way MetroRail markets the conference, its outreach to the participants. The accommodations are very nice. The hotel's in a fabulous location. I think MetroRail's done a very good job in organizing this conference. This is my first time at a MetroRail conference, and I attend a lot of conferences in my life.